Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the phone. Plug in or confirm at least 50% battery and join a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid interruptions. Once done, unlock the device and go straight into the Settings app. Don't linger on other menus. Make sure you know whether your phone labels updates under System, About Phone, or Software Update so you open the correct screen. This first step ensures the device can download and install without power or connectivity problems. Now you actively check and fetch the update. Tap the software update or check for updates button and wait while the phone queries the server. If an update appears, read the changelog and note the download size and restart requirement so you plan around it. Make a quick backup of photos or critical files before proceeding. Then tap download and watch the progress. Use the notification shade or the update screen to confirm a smooth download and to verify there are no download errors. When the download finishes, tap Install and permit the device to restart. This may take several minutes, so don't interrupt the process. Once the new build boots, verify features and check settings. Software update shows current firmware. If installation fails, free up storage space, clear system update cache, and retry. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to rule out apps. As a last resort, back up everything and contact the manufacturer or perform a factory reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.